What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have a new Dashcam. This one is a front and rear camera. So let's see how good it is. The brand is AQP. So let's open this and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is the camera that we have. The brand is AQP. It's a dash cam with Sony Exmor extended FFD 1080p. Okay, and it's a Sony sensor. That means it has a night vision, crystal clear definition, dual channel camera. So it has a rear and front camera. Okay, has a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can download the videos to your phone. Okay, what else? It has the USB charger, car charger connection, and what else? The chip is a Novatec NT966660. Okay, the sensor is a Sony Exmor. Okay, video 1080p. All right. Operation terms, okay, from minus 10 degrees Celsius till 55 degrees Celsius. The lens, it has a front and rear lens. So the camera has a front and rear lens, and both of them are f1.4, the aperture. So it's a wide angle lens. It has a battery, 200 milliamps, I think. It's a lithium battery. Wi-Fi built-in, motion sensor, night vision, and the screen is 3 inches. Okay, so let's open it and let's see what it has inside. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the owner's manual, the camera. This is the front camera. You can adjust this like this. Alright, has a tape and an extra double-sided tape. I think this is like a warranty or something. And this is the rear view camera. Okay, you can see it there. Okay, it has this thing, so you can use the screw or use this to stick it, okay, to the plastic or the window. All right, and this is the cable for the rear camera. This is the connection. You can see it. This is the power cable, the USB, and it has this cigarette lighter connection, and it has this to remove the trim. This is the trim tool to put the cable inside of the trims. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how it looks during the daylight, and then we're gonna see how it looks at night. Okay, so this is a HD 1080p and it has a Wi-Fi connection. So let's put on the car first and let's see how hard it is to install this. Right, so let's do it. Okay, one more thing, it comes with the micro SD of 32 gigabytes. You can see it there. Okay, so already comes with the micro SD, so you don't have to buy an extra SD. Right, cool. Alright guys, so I have the camera connected here to the cigarette lighter with this one, and the camera is there with the cables. It has two cables, one for the rear camera and another one for the power. Okay, let me turn on the car. It says format, okay? So, but before I do that, let's put the rear camera. Okay guys, so I already connected the camera there, you can see it, and it has this cable, but this cable has a red extra, so I don't know if you have to connect this to the power so that this camera works, so I don't know, but let's test it and see if it works like that. Okay, so you can see it, the camera is there, it's ready, but it's pointing down, so oh man, I don't know if it will work there. Okay, so let's test this thing first. Okay, so everything is connected, camera is there, connection, and the one on the rear. I think I can put it on the bottom next to the stoplight, so but let's see if it works there. If not, I'm gonna move it to the next to the stoplight, but let's see. Let's turn on the car. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it's pointing down, so you can see it there. So let me see. Oh man. Well, okay, the good thing I just installed it. So how can I? Oh, the area looks too tight. Ooh, okay. So it doesn't fit here. So I'm gonna put it there for now, because I had to look another place. Maybe it's better to put it outside on the trunk, but let's see how it works there. If not, I'm gonna put it outside on the trunk. Okay, all right, so the camera is on the back, but now it's upside down. So let's see if this will automatically flip the image. All right, so let's see. Oh well, I don't have to turn the car on. So yeah, okay, so I think it didn't work in there because the image is upside down. I don't know if you can see it there. It won't work, so I have to put it on the back. Let me put it outside on the trunk. Let's do that. All right. The camera fits perfectly, you can see it there. Yes, so it has the right space next to the rear camera, the OEM, and the cable I'm gonna run it here and put it from here to the tail light. So I had to run the cable inside on the trunk, and then the trim, and here, and all the way to the dash cam. So now let's test the camera, the actual video. Okay, so let's see how it records, and let's see how good it is, and the day and the night. Let's do that next. Okay guys, as you can see here, this camera is very clear. You can see everything is super clear. You can see the license plates, the cars, the color of the car is very nice, the resolution is very good for this one. This is the front camera, and this is the daylight sample, and this is the rear view camera. You can see it's super clear. You can read the license plate. If somebody hits you on the back, you're gonna record that very easy with this camera. You can see very good. And now this one is like when the sun is almost gone, like the sunset, and still the resolution is good, and you can read the license plate and everything, and it's very good. And this one is a little bit isn't this one is in the store. I placed this little video so you can see that even the faces, you can see it a little bit, not that clear, but you can see it a little bit. And this one is at night. At night is still a great resolution for this camera. In the front, this is the front view at night. You can see it there. It's great. Amazing, I love it. But the only one is the rear view camera at night. When the car is far away, the lights blurs the license plate. But if the car gets close to you, you can read the license plate. So if somebody hits you at night, I think the camera will be able to record the license plate too. Okay. App. Okay, so I already downloaded the app. The app name is AQP Cam. So let's open the app. I think I have to turn on the car. Let's see. Okay, please turn on your camera and Wi-Fi. Let me see how to go to the menu. Okay, menu right there. Let me see. Oh, Wi-Fi right there. Wi-Fi. Turn it on. Okay. Right there, I have to turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's asking me for a password, and the password is there on the camera. Okay, so you will have like maybe a special password for each camera. So let me see. All right, I got it. So now let's put this. Connecting. Awesome. So how can I check the videos? Let me see. Camera. Wow, the only thing is this in... Oh man, how can I change the language? All this in Chinese. Oh, right here. English. Oh wow. So okay, you have to open the app and then go to this like a letter thing, and then all the files, you can find all the files there, so you can download the file that you want to download. Okay, so it's very easy to use. The only thing, this is in Chinese, but I think there's a way to put everything in English, but I don't know how to read Chinese. Okay, but the app is easy to use. You have to go to this envelope or letter, go there, and then all the files are here. Okay, so it's not that hard to use. Alright guys, so now it's time to fix the cables. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the cables, this one for the rear camera. I think I'm gonna hide it with the tail light, and then put the cable under it. This one, I don't want to have this anymore like that. So I'm gonna tuck the cable on the headliner, the one that goes to the rear camera over there, and the one that goes to the dashboard. It's gonna go in that trim from here and then to the front. Okay, so let's do that. Alright guys, first cable is done. You can see, oh, I still have to tuck it in here. I have to push it, not with it. That goes inside. Okay, so first cable right there, it is done. I tuck it here, here, and then over here, and then under this rubber piece inside there, so it goes here, here, and then under this plastic and behind this plastic, and it comes out here, and then right there to the USB connection. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time, but it's fine. Now it looks more clean. Now I'm gonna do the same to the second cable, but this one is gonna go in here, and then I think I'm gonna run on the top over there to the trunk. Okay, so let's do that next. Alright guys, as you can see, I put the cable here behind this plastic. It was a little bit hard, I had to push very hard to put it inside here, but you can see it. And then the other one right here, it couldn't, I couldn't put it in the taillight because the connection is in the way. So if I put it here, I won't be able to put the taillight back. So I run the cable here, and that's gonna go all the way here, and I added a little bit of tape here, and then it's gonna go behind this carpet over there, and then I put it behind this plastic, and then goes here, here, here to the front. Goes here, 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 and here, and then goes here to the camera. There's the camera right there. So now it looks more clean, no more mess. Alright, so now it's done. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, that's the dash cam with the front and rear camera. It's amazing, I love it. The resolution is great, and at night it looks very good, okay, because it has a night vision. Alright, so you can see it by yourself, check out how it looks, and you can decide by yourself. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. The link for this camera is gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this. I recommend this one. The size is very good. It has a 3-inch screen. That's good because you can see while you are driving what is going on. Okay, and the rear camera, that's amazing. Okay, because sometimes some people drive very close to your car on the freeway, on the streets, and you want to record that. You see when people hit you from behind, man. So that's good thing to have that option on the camera, on the dash cam. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Links on the description of the video. Put your comment there, and the comments. And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.